Hey guys, this is Zach with Next Tech News, and today we're going to do some unboxings of some products I bought from my mom recently. I got her the Galaxy Tab S2 and the keyboard that goes along with it. And the reason I got her those is because she needs a new computer now. She's at that point in time that she needs to upgrade her computer, and we were trying to decide between a laptop, a Surface, or like an all-in-one or something like that. And what we ended up coming up with was actually kind of a unique idea. What I'm doing for her is I'm going to build her a computer. That way it's modular, upgradable in the future, all that kind of thing. It'll last a lot longer than a normal computer, and especially a Surface would. And the biggest thing is she wanted still to have portability. So obviously that computer won't be a portable computer, although it could be because of how small it's going to be. Basically that's going to be another project that I'm working on, which will be in a sooner video. As soon as that video is posted, I'll post it up here. And basically, that video will be a do-it-yourself all-in-one PC. It'll be a monitor with a little computer connected to the back of it. It's a unique case that I found on Amazon. But the reason I bought these were because she still needed something portable. So the primary thing she needed it for was Excel. And you can get Excel on Amazon, or not Amazon, but you can get Excel on Android tablets. So I decided to do an Android tablet over an iPad, even though I actually very much like iPads. I think they're really good construction and all that kind of thing, but they're kind of expensive and they don't have any mouse support. And I felt like my mom would feel at home if she was able to use a keyboard and a mouse, which you can do on Android. Android does have mouse support. So I decided to go that route, and that's why I'm unboxing these products. So that is my mom's portable PC. This is going to be for her Excel on the go. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, just let me know in the comments. And I hope you like this video. This is Zach with Next Tech News. See ya!